The component heading, we can select shear, torsional shear force, and bending and moment bending and axial force. As you can see, we select the shear force object in the 2 axis and check the shear value in the beam using the ETABS software with our manual calculation. As you can see, for the shear force, the ETABS reports a value of 22, which is exactly the same as our manual calculations. Also, the value of the bending moment provided by the ETABS was 52.8, which was 55 in the old manual calculation, but this difference was due to design station in the ETABS software. The verification of our manual calculation with ETABS software for the simple concrete beam is finished. At this point, the design is started. Structural design